Autumn is Hengchuan's renowned birdwatching season. Longwan Lake Nature Center on the lake's western shore is the best place to view the birds. Longwan Lake is at the lowest point of the Hengchuan Rift Valley Plain. That's why it gathers rainwater naturally. It's also one of Hengchuan's 8 most popular sites and one of Kunding National Park's significant scenic areas. The vegetation around Longwan Lake offers the perfect place to observe birds. Egrets cover the lake's shallow end. On the surface are mainly the good swimmers and seriformes. The administration office of Kunding National Park set up Longwan Lake Nature Center on the west bank in order to minimize human disturbances.